Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem on your Messenger. Just follow me in this video till the end. First, you don't need to open your Messenger. Go ahead and open your settings of your device. Then you will find a lot of options. Just open apps option and here search for Messenger. Open Messenger like I'm doing right now. Scroll until you found storage, but here guys, be careful, don't click on clear data, click just on clear cache. Then you have to back and click on first stop and click OK. Now go to storage, make sure not storage, battery, make sure that is on that your Messenger or your battery on your optimized mode. Go back and go to your set as a default, open supported links, and also you have to go to permission and give permission to camera, files and media, microphone, and then you have to go to your Play Store, update your Messenger on the last version, then restart your phone. That's it guys in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Please don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing our channel. See you in another video.